See Lindelof videos translating matrices. So what we're given in this example is this. We're given this triangle. We're given this triangle right here. And we're asked to translate this triangle 2 to the right and down 3 units. But what we're being asked for, instead of giving another picture, we're asked to translate this into a matrix. So the first thing we have to do is start with the original matrix. So the original matrix that describes this triangle looks like this. It says that x, y is, and then look at this for a second. First thing I'm going to do, x, so check this out. X, I'm going to go straight across from here. So I just want to show you what I'm doing here. I'm going to go straight across from here, and I'm going to put in the x values of all of my points. So the first one is 1. The second one is 1. The third one is 6. So hopefully you can see where I got those from, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the y values and I'm going to put them down here. Let me do this a different color just so I can make this more clear. So all the y values are here. So just take the y values that go with the points. So the first one is 1. The y value is 2. The second point is x. Its y value is 7. And the next one, its y value is also 2. All right? So here we go. So now all we have to do is come up with the translation that moves this 2 to the right. So what I'm going to do to move this 2 to the right is all the x values are right and left, aren't they? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say that my translated, right? I'm going to call this T for translated. My translated matrix is this 1 plus 2 gets it to the right. So 1 plus 2 is 3. This 1 plus 2, 2 moves it to the right, and their x value is also 3. And this 6 moved 2 to the right would be 8, wouldn't it? So 3, 3, 8. And now I'm going to do this exact same thing. I'm going to do the exact same thing with the y values, but it says that I want to move them down. So that down is -3, isn't it? So I'm going to add -3 to each number. So 2 plus -3 is -1. 7 plus -3, or 7 minus 3, is 4. And then lastly, 2 minus 3 again is -1. All right, so that's my translated matrix. Now, if you could replot this, and you could actually pick this triangle up and move it. But in cases in Algebra 2 and sometimes in Pre-Cal, instead of actually showing the movement, you have to show the matrix that creates that movement. So there's that matrix. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Thanks, you guys. Peace.